Hello guys, good morning. Pupunta kami ngayon sa school ni Sophie. Ayan, ganda-ganda niya Nag-graduate siya ng Kinder 2. Ganda yan
Akit na yung gulo na ng buhok mo kaya.
Siyo? Yan, vlog ka muna.
Who's the you? Who's the better? Who's the you? Who's the better?
Bayon!
Bakit sabi mo melon? Yeah. Is it you? Boy, mabuhay.
Mini miss you.
Mini miss you. Hello, mga people, mabuhay.
Marunong ka na magtagalog?
Miss you. Mini, opo.
Opo.
Pero anong gagawa mo pag tinin na sa school ko? Alam mo?
Ano? Sasamahan kita sa school. Kasi gagraduate ka na.
Bakit? Pero bakit?
Magkakabit tayo ng
Award?
reward, award ni Sophie.
Pero ako pangit.
Hindi.
Pero hindi ako hindi ako
Huwag ka malikot ng
Ganda.
tiyang buhok mo. Yung sira
Maganda.
na. Ay, di ba mo doon sa loob lang sasakyan na yun. Ikaw
Eh, si nanay, ayun driver natin to baby.
Akalaglag!
Alas baby na pala, anak. Alas baby na pala. Pinatagat ang kamay.
the author of our lives. May His name be lifted in this place through the lives of parents, guardians, and friends who wish to take the photos must use the middle aisles only. The area in front of the stage must be kept clear at all times. I am Miss Sarah Muscoli with an aiming for significance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the candidate for moving up Lorenzo N. Alilio Isabel Gia N. The Lunas Sky Isabel H. Magalit Sarah Louise C. And Villegas Mira Gabriel T. Session Boys. Pera Charles Baltazar Olivier V. Pregonero Sherman S. E. Regalo Pixel Afternoon Session Girls. Navia Gabriela Jean Y. Mr. Delphine H. Carpio, Vice President. To formally start our program, may I request everyone to please stand for the doxology to be led by the selected pupils, followed by Charles Baltasar Olivier D. Perahube for the opening prayer. Then, it will be followed by the singing of the LBFCSI hymn to be led by Mr. Jaime B. Mendon. Given this 17th of May in the year of our Lord 2024, signed by our President of BFCSI, Ida B. Lapis, Dr. Ida B. Lapis, and our Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Sylvester C. Antanes, Dr. Sylvester C. Antanes.
Okay, so, yeah. By the authority vested upon me by the Board of Trustees of Los Baños Faith Christian School Incorporated and by the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines, I hereby confirm you graduates. Congratulations! Let us give them a big round of applause. They will be moving up to the next level, which is first grade. Congratulations! First grader na kayo next school year. Congratulations. Thank you.
Del Rosario Haven Sage C. Gonzalez Iñaki T. Dixon Pio Lorenzo M. Trinidad Micael Raleigh R. Aurelio Samuel Gia M. With high honors, Aquino Jaser Shiraz T. With high honors, he also got first place in Bible Quiz B, second place in Science Spelling Quiz B, and second place in Math Quiz B. With high honors, Dixon Pio Lorenzo M. Third place in Spelling Quiz B, first place in Science Quiz B, and third place in Math Quiz B.
So ayun guys, tapos na yung graduation ng bata na yun. Oh, ayun. Tapos na ang graduation ni Zoe sa Kinder 2. Kaya pauwi na kami. Matraffic pa.
You mean Kinder 2? And I was thinking because that's already wow.
Matraffic, matraffic.
Pwede ka manggas yung mukha ko. Galing, galing. Sige sa kabisista. Kadida sa kadida.
Kamu asan yung sapa?
Hagod. Sa napapagod. Pagpagpagod. Galing, galing. Turn the tennis. Blueberry pepper.
Pinapasok.
White. 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 Oh no. No, white. White's gone. Wait, there's still white. Oh no, unicorn, you're white. No. White. Oh, unicorn.
Dami napakasaksak
It's
niya.
unicorn color. Hindi ko kaya na gusto ko na mabuksan. Guys, hello guys. I'm gonna to bigay Ara.
Ano bigay sa'yo ni Ara?